Hi. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please, sit down.
Thanks. Whew. It's cold today, isn't it?
Yes, it's getting colder every day. I think autumn is almost over.
True. Soon it will be winter. I like the cool weather, though.
Really? I prefer summer. I don't like wearing too many clothes.
Haha, I understand. By the way, what's your name?
My name is Maya. And you?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you from here?
No, I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Japan. I came here last year to study.
Oh, that's nice. What are you studying?
I'm studying English and business. What about you?
I work here. I'm a graphic designer.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I love designing posters and logos.
That's cool. I'm learning design too, just for fun.
Really? That's great. What kind of things do you design?
Mostly small projects. Cards, flyers, and simple posters.
That's a good start. You should keep practicing.
Thanks, I will. So, how long have you been here?
For 2 years now. I really like this city.
Me too. It's clean and quiet.
Yes, and people are friendly.
Exactly. Do you live alone?
Yes, I rent a small apartment near the park.
That's nice. I live with two roommates.
Oh, do you get along well with them?
Yes, they're nice. We cook together sometimes.
That's fun. I usually cook alone, but I don't mind.
What do you like to cook?
Mostly pasta or fried rice. Simple things.
I like cooking too. My favorite dish is curry.
Japanese curry?
Yes, it's sweet and spicy.
I tried it once. It was really good.
You should come to Japan one day. There's so much good food.
I would love to. Have you traveled to other countries?
Yes, I've been to Korea and Thailand. What about you?
I've been to the US and France.
Nice. Which one did you like more?
France. The food was amazing.
I want to go there someday.
You should. Paris is beautiful.
I've seen pictures. It looks romantic.
It is, especially at night.
Do you travel often?
Not really. I travel once a year.
That's still nice. I love traveling.
Me too. It makes me happy.
Same here. You learn so many new things.
Exactly. By the way, do you have any hobbies?
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar a little. You?
I can play piano, but just a bit.
That's great. Maybe we can play music together sometime.
Haha, that would be fun.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies. What's your favorite?
Probably Interstellar. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. It's amazing. I cried at the end.
Me too. It's very emotional.
Do you like going to the cinema? Or watching at home?
I like the cinema. The big screen feels special.
I agree. But sometimes I like watching at home with snacks.
True. Popcorn and a blanket. Perfect.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually meet my friends or go hiking.
Oh, I love hiking too.
Really?
Sure. Do you like the mountains or the beach more?
I like the beach. What about you?
I prefer the mountains. The air feels fresh.
That's true. I like both, actually.
Yes, it depends on the mood.
Yeah, do you like sports?
Yes, I play basketball. You?
I like badminton.
Oh, that's fun. Are you good at it?
Not really, but I enjoy playing.
That's what matters.
Right. Do you like reading?
Yes, I read before bed.
What kind of books?
Mostly travel or science books.
Nice. I read novels. Do you read in English or Japanese?
Both. Reading helps me learn new words.
That's a smart idea.
Thanks. Do you like learning languages?
Yes, I like learning a few words from different languages.
That's cool. Which languages do you know?
English and a little French. You?
Japanese and English.
Your English is really good.
Thank you. I'm still learning.
You're doing great. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, I agree. Talking with you helps me a lot.
I'm happy to hear that. By the way, what time is it now?
It's almost 5.
Time goes fast.
Yes, we've been talking for a while.
It's been nice. You're easy to talk to.
Thank you. You too.
Maybe we can meet again another day.
Sure. Let's get coffee sometime.
I would like that.
Great. Give me your number. I'll text you later.
Okay. See you soon.
See you. Have a lovely evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!